Madam President, pursuant to Rule 10, Section 13 of the Rules of the Senate, may I respectfully move to elect the members of the Senate Permanent Committees. For Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, Vice Chairperson, Senators Marcoleta and Estrada. Members, Senators Go, Padilla, Villar, Escudero, Marcos, Mark Villar and Camille Villar. I so move, Madam President.
Hearing no objection, the motion is granted and approved. That's for the majority.
Yes, for the minority will come later on, Madam President, as we will give a copy of this list to our minority leader as we have agreed upon.
We take note of that. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, for the Committee on Energy, Vice Chairperson Dante Marcoleta and members, Senators Go, Padilla, Estrada, Marcos, and Villanueva. So move, Mr. President, Madam President.
No objection. Hearing none, motion is approved.
Madam President, with respect to the constitution of the Committee on Finance and the Committee on National Defense and Security, Peace, Unification, and Reconciliation, each committee to be composed of 20 members. And so, Madam President, may I respectfully move that all senators, with the exception of the Senate President and those serving in an ex officio capacity, be elected as regular members of both committees. I so move, Madam President.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
For the Committee on Youth, chaired by Senator Bongo, members Senator Estrada and Senator Mark Villar. So moved, Madam President.
No objection. Hearing none, motion is approved.
For Committee on Sustainable Development Goals, Innovation, and Futures Thinking, we have Senator Camille Villar as Vice Chairperson, and for members, Senator Mark Villar, Robin Padilla, and Joel Villanueva. So move, Madam President.
Hearing no objection, motion is approved.
Madam President, for the Committee on Ways and Means, members, Senators Go, Escudero, Estrada, Marcoleta, Marcos, Camille Villar, and Joel Villanueva. So move, Mr. President. Madam President.
No objection. Hearing none,